Hello, everybody. Today I got the assets for Neptune, Uranus, and Fifth Giant. And so, yeah. Okay. Today we're gonna be doing the animations for the, and I'm sorry to say this, but, I forgot that you have to put the Saturn event not in the layer 1, or you can make your own event layer. Okay, well, let's get started. Okay. So we're gonna make these small so they can start out small. Cause on the first frame, so you have to there's a first frame on these. And you just make them small. Okay. And you can choose how many seconds you want. Make sure to make them all like that. And then you just press this. Insert keyframe. And at the end, you make these big. And this is Fifth Giant. And this is Neptune, which is larger than Fifth Giant. And this is Uranus. Or Uranus. I know, it's a big laugh. Wait, we need to adjust this a little. Okay, we got it now. Now we just have to make them all larger. So you use the classic tween to do this, see? And then you go to the next one and do the classic tween. And then you go to the next one and do the classic tween, which is right here. So let's just try it out and see if it works. It works perfectly. Now we need to do another event. For some reason, oh yeah, you're probably going to be seeing this all the time. You just need to put that up to here. So that's really why it disappeared. Okay, the next part we're gonna do the event, right? Remember to put it always on the event layer, or you can do on layer 1. It depends what you're thinking. Okay, so we're gonna appear the event. I just gotta go to my photos. I need to get maybe we can do maybe we can just do a blue one, since it's the event is like three planets. It depends if you want to or not. Or you can just type in Fifth Giant and just try to get a picture in there. Oh yeah, I forgot. We need to make this 4.55. Oh yeah, never mind. We're okay. We're okay. We're not really worrying about the year. Just like when an event comes. Okay. Fifth the Giant. Wikipedia. Oh yeah, you can just use anything. Or you know what? Let's just do, that. let's just do a ice giant square, the science square, and then turquoise. That's what I meant. We need to get a rectangle, put it on the corner, and then it's like magic. Boom! I just did magic. Except the problem is we need to copy this onto the event in the event layer. So we need to copy, delete, and then put it onto here. Oops. Good thing that didn't do anything. But also we need to put this line on. We'll just put that on layer 1 since it's a background. And we could make it a little thicker. You just go to the properties layer properties panel, and put it to 10 or any size you want. Does not matter at all. You can do it any size you want. Okay. Now we just need to add a text box. We do that, and then we, boom. You just have to put it at you just have to make your color. You can make your color whatever you want. Just it has to be visible. Okay, so usually I would put the year first. 4.56. Oh, make that larger. BYA. BYA stands for billion years ago. Ice Giants form. Such as Uranus, Neptune, and fifth giant. Also, I am not okay. I have a little disclaimer here. I don't know what to say. That I am not doing. I'm sorry to say this, but I'm not doing Planet 9 because it is not 100% proven by scientists. Probably, yeah, you probably know that. I am sorry, Ophandia, which is a channel, but you just, I don't really know what to say, but sorry. I didn't add your limit. Oh yeah. We put that in the event layer. Also, it's more, and you can also set layers to where you want. So the bottom one is like where it's like the actual bottom of the animation. And you gotta fit the text inside. Just press the gray spot that's out of the canvas, and then, yay, you did it. Okay, this is the last part of the series, so I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy making your animation, your history of the solar system. You can follow these tips. It doesn't matter who you are, but you can follow these tips. Okay. Anyways, bye.